Hello, everyone. Here we go. It's Badge Wild, and we are back with another live stream. We have right here, and yes, this is it, folks. This is the healer. We still have the healer. Got it. We still got the survival pod, and we've got our base that is currently working properly right now. What is happening now is I'm going to have to protect some of this more sensitive equipment. Like these. No, we've got to protect this system over here. So what we need to do is I need to build one, a corridor going through here, but two, I also need to build a small series of buildings or whatnot that'll cover this here. It'll cover all these, because I've already got part of that building started. I think I'm going to build up and we're going to do a very simple roof, because most of the attacks are going to come from the ground anyway. We've got a ship printer ready to go. I need to take this thing and I need to pull it back down in case I need to just, you know, take the system, turn it on, and make a whole nother ship or something. Make some kind of small craft vessel. Now, we cannot get uranium, but we do have this truck here, which is just chock full of hydrogen at the moment. I can turn that on and build up the power on it, and we can go wherever we want to go. The drill is getting maxed out. It's about to max itself completely out here in a minute as it just works its way down. So we'll have to pull that up and rebuild it at some point. Let me get my phone up here, and I can talk to you good people if you are watching right now. Okay, I'm looking. I don't see nobody yet. Check the power on the phone. Okay, we're at 16%. My phone is like dying. I'm having to plug it into the computer to get it to work. But hey, we've got this going right now. Looks like my video just reached Twitch. And we've got plenty of firepower of these machine guns here. These little turrets are doing great. There are things that we've got to get done. I want to add a much better defensive turret here to just protect this area from the drop pods, maybe even take them down. And we might add some 20mm autocannon ball turret quad barrel. Would be nice if we could do that, and I think we can. The other thing is we are going to need a defensive turret over this direction, and we're going to have to build some kind of facility here with maybe a slanted glass roof or something, so I can go inside and chill. And then after all of that, I want to probably put a doorway here, add a whole ramp base here to operate, and maybe even cut this section of the floor out, or somewhere around here, maybe just over here, after we add another 2 refineries, and add a position here where we can drive the truck up on, and I can put an ejector on it, and I can turn it on, just eject all the stuff that we put into the truck. We also drive the healer wherever we want to go, so we can drive it and find things that do finding missions. It's a great truck. It's meant to be a big, heavy vehicle. And it's fast. It does its job very well. I just need to know where I'm going and everything. That's it. Also, we've got a 3D printer. We can build some stuff. But right now, I want to build up the base a bit more. We need to solve this problem at some point. And I think I know how to do that. Let's go up here. Do we have any doors? Doors, 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 doors. There we go. A door. Now we got all these door options. I'm wondering is... Okay, see, we got a sliding hatch door. I don't think we need that. Seems like a bit of overkill. This door might be good. We do need some steel plate to make it, though. So... I don't know how we're going to do this. I do know I need a door down here. Let's also look. What other doors do we have? What does it take to make the big, heavy doors? What I may do is I may put the living quarters over here. Well, frick, if I do that, I'm gonna lose the ability to expand the base should I need it. There. We may need to just put the base over here because we're not gonna need air getting to the base. We're just gonna need a means of funneling stuff to it. Let's head over this way. Back to the survival kit. The survival pod here. Get my health back up. And haven't seen any more. I turn that on. 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. That back on. System's back up and running. So now, big problem is figuring out how to set all this together. And I think maybe probably wouldn't even need this. I just need a door like that set up. This door seems to be a bit of overkill, in my opinion. This door could work, but I kind of want a window to look out of the base with. Let's get some steel plates first before we start adding doors. Got some steel plates here somewhere, I know that. There they are. All right, 9. Go, there we go. Let's create a small blind spot here, which I'll have to address by moving that. Let's see here. I don't know how I want this to be put in together. And I want to make it look good, so that's a problem. It's going to be a problem for a good long time. I think what I'll do is I'll just cover this up to an extent, because that's all going to become one big farce of a deal real quick. All right. While I'm at it, where is my new welder? I know I built one. Yes, that's what we need. Here, brand new welder. Oh, that's gonna make things so much nicer. And faster too. There we go. Ah, elite welder. Welds super fast. There, this will give some armor protection to the base. I don't need more steel plate. Ain't that interesting? Alright, empty steel plate. Oh yeah, I got like thousands of things. I can build all kinds of junk if I want. Okay. That was good. Now, hmm. Oh God, that's good. Ah, water tastes good right now. Let me tell you. All right. Next. If I put the landing pad and garage over here, which will just be a landing pad with a roof and a garage right here off the corner side of the base. I'm about to build that pretty big. From there, I can build out this way. At the same time, I've got to keep everything from getting too close. I may just put the hydrogen tanks over here and just put some extra defense on them. Seems like a good idea. All right. Let's see. I'm probably gonna get grief from the chat over this, but I'm gonna use these light armor blocks here. Because I'm not expecting a straight up attack. What the heck? No, I don't want that. I can't do that. Keep forgetting I'm not in creative mode. Keep forgetting that. Here we go, though. There we go. I do realize I've got to do some kind of review video at some point. I see that distress signal, that unknown signal. I do need to check it out. I'm not gonna lie. Mostly today is going to be reinforcing the base. Just making it a little bit harder to tear down, pretty much. And giving us some nice defensive installations that'll make life that much more fun. There we go. Time to commence the welding. Oh, we're out of steel plates. That's not good. That's not good at all. Alright, where's the steel plates at? So, like a kilometer out. Oh, oh, we got company. Oh boy, that's holy crap, we are getting attacked. Woo! Thank God of those little mini turrets, hey? Alright, time to run over here and inspect all this. Came charging in there. And it's a lot of dudes. Ain't no small number, that's for sure. See what you got. Mostly the same stuff. A lot of this is actually pretty good for me to be getting. Because I can use this stuff. Let's see, who's this guy? They're just the same group of people trying to attack. This wasn't an organized effort. They just got hostile and tried to take the base, and it didn't work. Okay, well, that's all of them. Don't know what to tell everybody. I mean, don't die all at once. All right, give me this. Okay. That was interesting. I think we may be close to maxing out now. Right now, I got a job to do. I gotta get it done. Ah, super welders. Okay, that's gonna... Yeah, that'll make a nice area. I can just add a couple lights in there and it'll look awesome. It's already hitting problems, huh? I have to retract that real quick and start again. Okay, ran out of light armor block. Let's reverse this piston here. The reverse. Sure is taking a long time. Oh, we'll just sit here for a moment. Wait. I could do, since I've already come under attack. F it. 9. Parking brake off. Parking brake off. I think here I got 6 to 8 minutes left on this thing. Dude. Nope. Do that, and let's hit number 6. Check that out. Under normal circumstances, it'd take me forever to get over here. I can just drive over here now. Heck yeah. And a ball, is it? Oh, hey, wonderful. I can hear the engine right in here just going. You can see the engine right there. That's a small hydrogen engine, folks, running a nuclear a vehicle that can run on nuclear power if it has to. Where is this? There we go. Tilt that over. Give me your crap. Nice. All right, we can run right back over here to the vehicle. Put everything in the vehicle. Not that big a deal. Okay, another thing I might do, might just start adding some of this stuff to this. Not very hard. Not very hard at all. Shove that right in there. Hop back in here. Disable parking brake. And let's head back to base. By now the drills should be back up. That's one thing I don't have to worry about. Ah, wonderful. And I can let this thing just burn through the ice I just picked up. Not a big deal. Ah, I'm going to fly up here and find it. Nope. Yep. Here, yeah, there it is. Okay, drills back up here. Put all that in there. And let's go up here and start tearing this apart. Crap, this is going to be fun. Ooh, that's a long drop. Back over here. Shoot. I accidentally turned something into nothing. I'm gonna grab this. I don't know what this thing just turned into nothing here, but we're about to find out. Go. Ah, this is going a little better than I thought. So we're gonna upgrade this real fast. This is how we're upgrading the system. We're gonna have to do this. Now, if I can, eventually I'll have to figure out some way to take this and just put something in between there. I can just keep pushing this thing down, just keep going. All right, let's head over here. That'll work there. Okay, now all I gotta do, start building pistons. Two, three, four. I think that is going to be about as far as we can go with that. 8 there, advanced rotor. Let's go even further to 9. Drill, right at the bottom here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, say 8. There we go. All right, let's go. Let's check G menu. We have nothing in the build planner right now. Work on these pistons, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all I can do right now at the moment. Over here. This done. That is really becoming a problem now. There we are. That piston system's getting done. And we will probably have to set that up to multiple pistons. All right, G menu. What do we got left? Says we got this, but let's grab that. This, that, that, that. That one. All right. I know we got the materials to do this. Come on now. No way in heck we can't do this. Back up here again. Let's see, we're going here. Uh-oh. Don't tell me the system just ran out of steel tubes. That's going to be the thing that kills us is steel tubes. And construction components, it appears. Huh. Ha 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 ha. Okay, we got to build up some steel tubes. Let steel tubes go. We had a bunch of them. Production. Let's get rid of that. 40 of those. About 300 of those. There we go. Almost there. This is what happens when you start getting, you know, like further along in the game. You can start building the really good stuff. And as you continue on, you can eventually start building bigger and bigger projects. And there we go. We're about to have this done. Just two, that's all it's going to take. Just two. Two more drills built, and we will be able to continue our mining efforts. Uh-oh. That's not looking good. Oh, yeah, I got the motors. I should have motors, my God. Alright, all components have been withdrawn successfully. Bingo, we are done. Look at this massive set of pistons. Alright. Gotta do some programming. Everything's basically done. We just need some programming. Alright, let's go to the control panel here. Control panel. Go down here. Let's just go ahead and just turn them on. Let's see, piston M. Are those two pistons? Okay, so that and that will... What did I just do? Okay, that's interesting. I didn't know I could do that. I just found the volume button on my keyboard. Huh. On B and piston. Hey, I want to capitalize that. There we go. Save that. Oh crap, we didn't do the one deal, did we? Piston B. And we are under attack. Where are the baddies and where are they coming from? Go out here and get us some, oh, this is good. This is good. These guys had, stuff on them. All right. We got some guns. We're getting guns, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting guns. Oh, these were a group. Nice. Which means they're going to have some good guns. Well, it looks like only 2 guys attempted to take us, which sucks. I'll take it. Ah, that's right. The base is going to eventually need some kind of battery storage for power. That's going to need to be a thing. Okay, let's head over here. Up. Let's see, where's the other assembler at? Industrial assembler. Everything can go in there. Now, go here. There we go. Piston drill master. And that's going to be used right here in the F. Okay, back to the pistons here. At the maximum distance. All right, I should be able to reverse everything. All right, nothing's moving. Oh crap, that's bad. Back in here. Drill piston master. Air inertia, because that will go all over the place if we don't. Okay. Wait a minute, I got the advanced rotor here. This is the advanced rotor. Okay, so we got a velocity up to like 1.9, I think. See how well it's turning here. Okay, let it just go to town. It'll shake a little bit at that distance. But the inertia is now being covered. What do my megawatts look like now? Current input is 1.16 megawatts. So I mean, we're pulling some wattage. Okay, how are these gun turrets looking? 42 rounds. Let's see. What's the next thing we're gonna do? Oh yeah, since we're doing all this, we're gonna need a lot more steel plate. 1,000 of these, 1,000 of those, 1,000 of this, 1,000 of that, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and that's about it. You don't need much else, I don't think. Yeah, we'll do 1,000 of those as well. Of course, we got a whole bunch of those. It's not really going to make much of a difference. Let's go ahead and go to not there. Let's click this off. Oh yeah, all right. Yeah, it's getting looking good now. Gonna look good from a distance as well. This is where, you know, aesthetic and everything are starting to come into play more and more. Wow, did I eat through that 1,000 already? Yeah, the system here, man, is just oh, that was quick. So freaking fast. The assembler's having trouble keeping up. Grab the basic assembler, get him to start making. Come on. Basic assembler is just full of this crap. There we go. That's it. There we go. Got rid of some of that gravel. Now, once I get the other assemblers built, hey, we have a viewer. Awesome. Nice to see you. Happy you're here. Currently, all I'm doing is I'm just upgrading the base pretty much today. May do a couple of missions. May not. Got the healer all built. Ready to go. Did that in the last stream. If you were here last stream, thank you for coming back. If you're new, I'm happy to have you. Doesn't really bother me one way or the other. You decide to come here, and I'm happy to have you here. Okay. We also have a ship printer going on, which is nice to have. And I'm trying to plan this base out here to where it'll look good when I get done with it. So, yeah, fun times. I have to put a door in here as well as expand this out and work the system to where it will all it'll all come out to where I need it to go, and then I can build some, you know, some good ships and stuff. And that's kind of what I want to do. I want to have the landing pad over here, and then build a large garage area over in this direction without everything coming into too much contact. We're still coming under attack. If you're new, this is Survival Under Fire. Survival Under Fire is me surviving in a space engineer's game where I am constantly under attack. The game constantly works itself over to try and kill me. I've got mods on here which will send soldiers, will send pirates, and worst of all, collective army, which is a whole bunch of gun-wielding robots, sometimes rocket launcher-wielding robots, sometimes melee bots, just want to, you know, rocky bots that want to come in there and just whoop my butt and just give me a good pummeling. So far, I've been able to resist them. We've got a decent amount of firepower. We got 4 turrets on the base. Thinking about another one. The the power generators are going nuts right now, which is amazing. And I kind of want to put power generation on the other side of the base here, or just battery storage somewhere right here. So the center point of the entire base is this massive drill we got going on. But right now, this mega drill is just going around, grabbing everything that we need. This thing has been the lifeline of the base. Since we got this core drill built, it is drilling down to the center of the earth, and we may even get that far at some point. This is the full extension of 2 of our drill heads. We're going to have a long time before we have to start replacing the drill head back again and adding more pistons and all that good stuff. So that'll be a long time in the near future. I kind of want to add some sections here around the side. Let me that's what I need. I need a whole toolbar dedicated to just these types of blocks here. Awesome. All right, let's see. Let's do 1, 3, 4, 5. Block there, probably won't need a block there. Yeah, okay, that'll be fine. Number 2. Need to. We'll just shift this over to the side here. I'll come back to here. Bump, ba bump, ba bum. Look at that. Unable to place that block because there is something in the way. That's wonderful. Okay, I'll be able to really work on that and just get that built around where, I don't know, I might need to take these out here and just build around that area of the base. Right now, I got to get some energy back into the system. Survival pod is just having trouble at the moment trying to keep up. I do want to build some kind of gunship at some point, but today is just base upgrades because I don't know if the DCA is going to come after me or not, and that's my official term for them because I have no idea what they're up to. I don't know what the real name is, but dadgummit, they are a pain in the butt. Have you seen episode 3? You know what I'm talking about, and we are way far and above time for the DCI to start something. I suspect they are gonna start something at some point. I almost expect it now. All right, there's that, and there we go. Yeah, I hear I'm getting shot out there. Oh, wow, we're getting hammered, aren't we? Is that the end of them? Okay, let's go out there and see the damage. Right now, the around, I don't see nothing. Oh, there's a target. Yeah, these guys are beginning to get more frequent. Much more frequent. Let's see what you got here, buddy. I don't see any more because I can't see much in this sandstorm anyway. If it wasn't for the beacon, I wouldn't know where I was going. In all honesty, that I would be so screwed right now. I want to try and find the other guys, but I think the sandstorm is just too rough right now. Fortunately, crap. I need to get out here and get into okay. Back to making a base and adding improvements. Subtle improvements, but improvements nonetheless. Bingo. That's working out pretty good. That'll look good right there. Let's go to the other side. There we go. All right. Well, this nice little circular looking pit here. That'll just make the whole thing look snazzy. And here we go. Now we just got to weld everything up. Seriously. You have to put a catwalk on this side of the base so I can just walk right over, I swear. Alright, continuing on. We'll wander around the base. I'll have to start cutting things off and adding certain things to the base. This is just part of everything. Let's go here. Hey, look at that. I have tons of stuff going on. Yeah, the robot raider pods, if I could take one of them out, though, I would end up with a lot more resources, because I think those pods may even have some thrusters on them. Let's, no, let's crouch down and do this. Okay. Head back. Get some more equipment. Look at that. It's just, it's turning into a nice little round area. It looks like a big drill pit. That's what we're doing here today. We're just making a drill pit. Alright, it's already giving me problems. Push that. Yeah, watch that thing suck up some stone now. There we go. If you're watching and you got anything to say, go ahead and say it. I do enjoy talking with other people. You never know. You might give me, you might say something, and I might put me onto a whole conversation. Ain't no telling what kind of rabbits I'll chase. And I haven't built any solar on this thing because, well, I could build solar. I could build a very effective solar pad for the base. But oh, jeez. The problem with solar right now is, one, the windstorms, because that's going to affect the solar. Two, it doesn't appear to be working as well here as it would in outer space. So I'll probably save the effective and more better, keyword better, system for out in space where there's no wind. All right, let's continue on here. We got to weld a bunch of stuff up. Just a little bit more steel plate and this will be done. All right, a little more steel plate. And we're already getting like 1,000 over here and there. I'm gonna start disassembling some of those guns. All right, let's go over here now. Let's force these guns to disassemble. Number one. All right, industrial assembler. Get this and go down here. We're gonna fill it. Number one. Not. No, I don't want those. That. That. Okay, that all is done there. Wow, I got a lot of junk. I think this is an industrial assembler. Where's a container I can shove this into? Disassemble. Boom. All right, this is going to give me gained. I'm going to get 2. We're going to get 7 cobalt gain. We're going to get some silicon wire. We're going to get some nickel ore. Oh, yeah, we're going to get some good stuff now. Hmm. We're going to gain a lot more stuff. Now, a lot of this has cobalt in it. What? I didn't realize my O2 levels were getting low. It must be the sandstorm. Sandstorm is making it difficult for me to operate. Oh, well. Anyway, as of right now, drill's doing his thing. Push the button and certain amounts of it extended, so it's going to keep extending downward as far as I can tell. We have a massive windstorm in the area. We got 3 minutes to this one point. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to hop in here. Going to hit 9. Going to hit 6. I'll turn off the parking brake. We're going to increase the speed of the healer up to about 54 kilometers an hour. Doesn't matter. I've got this on. The thing is pulling large quantities of hydrogen and whatnot. Let's give it a little bit of boost. And off we go. We're driving out here to an unknown signal. We're doing about 24 miles per hour. Which ain't too bad. Ain't too bad at all. It's actually pretty nice. And the plan here is we're going to head out here, hit this unknown signal, hopefully get something out of it, and not get attacked. For some reason, I don't know what it is about rovers in this game, but every time you build one, it wants to keep going left or keep turning right for some reason. It's like a someone who doesn't understand what the what NASCAR was. All right, F. Of the grinder here, the elite grinder. Check on this. Try my luck with that. That's a zebra drill. That's actually not bad. Here, what we got? What? Oh. Aha. Nice try. You're coming with me. How did I? Oh, I. Turns out I am completely full of crap. All right, I'll throw that in there. And there we go. Like I said, Healer is one capable little truck. And that's why I always usually build one in my streams, because this thing has been a perfected vehicle. All right, let's head on back to base. You can see base out here, base camp. This is where we're heading. What's amazing to me is no matter how many times I say it, nobody ever really thinks to check YouTube or check Twitch. I don't know what the problem is, but for some reason, nobody wants to check on Twitch. This thing I've never figured out. Why does this thing just constantly keep turning right? It's like an inverted version of a NASCAR driver. There we go. There we are. I do need to do some updates to the healer, though. I do need to give it a bunch of other things to make it work good. Make it work, you know, better. That. Once that's done, we can go back to the other stuff. Assemble! All right, we are assembling a lot of things right now. Like I said, this little truck, man, it will do anything you want it to do. If I put some uranium in it, which is a good idea. We should go check and see if we can get some uranium here soon. Also, I should check and see what missions we have. Oh, we've got some missions. Right now, they don't work because sounds like some people got lit the F up. Oh God, what just happened? I accidentally hit the inertial dampeners. Jeez, really? All right, let's run out here. I absolutely effed up. Oh, they're despawning already. Yeah, it's all right when we're at base because we're pretty safe. These guys have been a pain in the butt when I do have to deal with them. These are pirates. These guys are well armed. They usually have, they almost all have guns. They almost all have grinders. See, we got grinders, we got guns. Oh, God, I keep wasting ammo for some reason. Fly over here real quick. Are there any more corpses? Or do they all just come from one direction? They must have respawned over in that area and then come over here. Ah, okay. That works out. Juke. Okay, put all that in there. Let's do that. Let's find the industrial assembler here. I think that's it. There we go. Put all that inside. Now, for the rest of the base renovations, we're gonna need some steel. Obviously, steel plates. Gonna make everything work real well. And I got a plan here. Let's go over to... We're gonna make a nice looking door. You come out to the base. Sweet. And now number 7. Yes. Aha, look at that. That looks awesome. Okay. Let's hammer that in. Hammer that in. Oh. And we'll get everything we need for that. Go to G. Make sure we don't have anything else that we need to worry about. God, I love this construction planner. All components are successfully withdrawn. There we go. There. So now we got all that finished. Think here what I need to do next. Dang. Oh, that's another thing I was going to do. I got to put a ship builder on one end of this base out here. It's still drawing large quantities of equipment. Actually, that's another thing we could do. We could add more industrial assemblers. Actually, dang, no, that's not what I need to do. I need to get out here and add a few more wind turbines. Because that doesn't have, at this distance, that doesn't have much of an effect. We could add 2 more, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. We could have 5 more. We've already got 4. We could have 5 more wind turbines at the top of this base. The only problem is if I add 5 more wind turbines, I'm going to have a problem trying to keep power to everything. I'm going to have to add a conveyor system through here that'll go to some custom turret guns, and those would be awesome to build right now. Those would be great. That is something I do need to build. Get some custom turret guns. It'd be pretty simple. Oh, I've built them before. Not a wholly difficult thing, but I am running low on time. I think the next best thing to do would be to build another assembler. So let's move the ship here out of the way. Move the ship. And we'll put it up here. All right, that should stay right there like that. And we can expand this area here. So first things first. We need interior plates and steel plates. Awesome. Okay. Let's get cracking. By the way. We're going to build this up here. And we'll get our 3 mega refineries done. Hopefully this'll work out. Oh my god, this is going up so fast. This is so much easier. Oh god, this is so fast. We have all of our assemblers and everything done. Bada bing, bada boom. We have triple refinery capabilities, meaning that we're going to be able to refine all that material almost as fast as we mine it. I also need to see how much power we're pulling at the moment, because I'll bet you we are pulling a chunk. Yeah, our current output is 2.65 megawatts. This thing will be depleted within 1 hour. I mean, that is a problem. We need to increase the power at the base. Number one. I am gonna have to put where am I? Holy crap, did I eat these steel plates that fast? Wow, we need more steel plates. All right, industrial assembler, we need 2,000 more steel plates. Industrial assembler, we're gonna need 2,000 more. Sorry, but this has got to come first. Let me see here. Where is my steel plates? Steel plates, baby. Where are you at? There's some of you there. There's some of you there. All right, you guys go right there. I've got to build a position here where I can put some yeah, we're gonna have to build some kind of power facility somewhere. And it's probably gonna have to be right here. About 5 wide's what we're gonna need. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, maybe 8. Go a little wider. No, actually that won't be too bad. Actually, no, we'll just expand this out here because what we're going to do, this is how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put a massive power facility in here for the sole purpose. Because we're going to need a lot of power. That's obvious. And I need a big area to store some power in. I'm pretty sure when those turbines go to full power and we can get more turbine power, heck yeah, we're going to need all this. We're going to need all of this. There we go. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to have to build a facility on either side of this. I may just build a wall right here. Take this stuff completely out, build a wall, and go from there. I need to build a sidewalk over to this at some point in time because this is getting annoying. Walking in here like this. I also got to put some lights up. Crap, when you realize how much stuff you're gonna have to do at some point. That. There we go. Got all that on. I'm just gonna start shoving everything into the plates that we need because that will work a lot better. Oh, do we not have enough? This thing's gonna get ore hungry real quick. This facility will. Yep. We're gonna get ore hungry real fast. There we go. We're about to have all this done. We're just gonna work through it real quick. Of course, I wonder if I shouldn't put like a good flooring down or something. Probably not. But I am planning on building a couple of turret control blocks in there so we can put a few custom turrets inside there. There's a trick I like to do when I build them. No, nothing there. Industrial refinery. Industrial assembler. Basic refinery. Basic assembler. Why is my basic assembler not doing nothing? Inventory. Once again, it is gravel. Okay, let's head on down here. I need gravel later on anyway. See, this is the thing I mentioned where it's like it has to fill things up. with crap. I'm gonna have to go through and sort all of this later. Oh, we got one turret just lighting things up. One turret that I will have to move at some point. There we go. All right. Go down and see what you idiots have on you. It shouldn't take very long. We got several guys dead. I don't know if the game's trying to wait till I run low on ammo to wave me with the big attack, but we're gonna have to get somewhere. Of course, I'll say this. This started happening at a point, and I had a bunch of problems I had to deal with. Looks like the auto turrets just smoked like 2 guys. So that's good. We can get all the batteries, we can get all the good stuff off of them. It's a good day. It's a good day. All right, looks like everything. So I don't think there's anything on the other side of the base. Let's just pop up in the air here and see how the base is just expanding. We're gonna have power over here. We're probably gonna have a ship production facility over here. What is that over there? Are there more bodies? Are those bodies? Oh, we got 2 more guys. They attempted to hit the base from 2 sides. That's impressive. They're getting smarter. Anyway, we're going to have the power facility over here. And I'm going to load that up with some batteries. We're also going to have some turret control blocks. And there's a way I'm going to put those in there that'll just look fantastic. This will help with the facility, and then I can build this up and make it look nice. Ah, come now. Oop. There we go. And then I've also got to build the rest of our assemblers. There we go. Steel plates here. I need to make another way into the facility over here. All right, we got all that finished up. I need to grab a little bit more steel. I may just finish up a walkway over there too while I'm at it. There we go. Look at that. Now, somewhere in here, I'm going to have to set like a roof turret or something. Plan is to have most of this covered and stable before the big wave shows up. Yes, 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 I know, but we got to make sure this whole thing is welded up. There we go. Look at that. All right, look there. All right, now we can get around the base a bit easier. I would really like to put a catwalk right here, so I can just run right across and get something done and come right back. But it is 12:06, folks. It is getting more and more difficult to get the base going. We've got some defenses and they are working, but we're fixing to start having some serious blind spots if I don't start making some amazing turret defenses. I think we're just going to do a pillbox defense system, whereas I'm going to put down a block, a storage block where we need it, and then we'll build a custom turret. Usually that will have, I mean, most of these will be small grid turrets, but I think we're going to build like one or two large grid killers. I do want that unknown signal though. Like 13 seconds. It'll drop out in about 13 seconds, so not going to help. So next time, we're going to build probably, I'm going to drill through here, this section out, replace that with a nice little walkway system here, do another door like we did over there, and then we're going to start adding a garage floor system here. And I'm going to build that fairly big because we're going to have to put we're going to have to set some trucks in here. And that's also another thing that's going to have to happen is I'm going to have to somehow get down to this one deal, lift up, and then bring this clean across, and then set up a nice little elevated platform in which this truck, well, yeah, that's what's going to have to happen. I'm going to have to set up a platform where this truck can pull right up and hook into a connector, and then I can fill it up and charge it, and I'll have the chargeability on this thing done. Let's fly up here to the survival pod real quick. Get ourselves filled up. And then the base has gotten some serious upgrades. I mean, it is going. I mean, we're building stuff rapid fire. I mean, just real quick. Eventually, I'm going to have to build a nice sizable defensive wall around the base, probably with some cobalt in between it, some heavy armor blocks. And then once we get most of the facility figured out, and then we'll put something in between it, which will have maybe a sensor door, which will open up and allow us to go in, and then I can shut that down with a push of a button. And then but we've got to get most of the facility figured out and built and enclosed the way we want it enclosed. I think the garage, I'm going to enclose it in glass and heavy steel grating. So when I come over here, there will just be glass sitting in here, and it'll be a nice little glass area. And then we'll build a nice wall around this, and it'll just look amazing. But right now, we're building battery storage on this side with the possibility of nuclear power right there. Then over on this side, I'm probably going to have like a large ship printer and maybe the ability to power some of these ships. I don't know. And then we may even build up a large area where we can store these ships, probably over here. The central point of the entire facility is going to be this big drill, and I need to watch it because okay, I filled back up. So we have this center pivot drill here, just doing its job nicely. I may have to redesignate those areas there. That kind of came over just a little bit. It's not a perfect circle. It's bothering me. I may cut these out as well and just add a nice little catwalk going across there. Actually, I could probably just put the catwalk in regardless, and it would be fine. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll shove a catwalk in here. That way I have a way around the facility. We also need to put a way past the facility over here where I can get in. That means I'll probably have to drop this down, maybe install something over there. But then we also need to build some walls up. But like I said, I need batteries over here, and I need a battery storage facility that I can expand upon. And I think what I'm going to do is, let's see here. No batteries. Let's see what a battery is going to look like. Where's my batteries? Battery, battery, battery. Oh, I've actually got some materials here. Let's do Warfare 2 batteries. One. No. No. So this is what we're probably going to end up doing. I'm going to have in the facility 2, 3, 4, right about there like that. And these are going to extend like so every 2. So that I can come by and just look and see how the batteries are doing. And then maybe the end of the facility. But that's going to be a lot of battery power right here. Then on top of that, if I can find it here. Where's the control programmable block here? We'll put it over there. Let's just take and put it over here at 9. Got these custom turret controllers. This is a neat little trick that I do. We'll put one here and one there. And then I'll have custom turret controls inside here, and it'll make the whole facility look really good. But we will have megawatts worth of power. This whole facility will be able to power all of this and keep it going. Because as we expand, I'm going to have to add more stuff. And we may add some sort of simple storage and just build a couple of pillbox sections kicking off from the base. Just little sections that won't require a whole lot. It won't be something crazy. It'll just be an area that just kind of tilts off from the base a bit and gives us a little bit more extra firepower. Plus I can start taking those turrets, those little mini turrets down, and start filling the new turrets, like custom made turrets, up. And what we'll probably do is we'll set up some anti-personnel turrets all around them. And we'll just set like a large quad barrel auto turret up here, and we'll have like just maybe 3 little mini turrets around it. That way something lands, it's going to get destroyed and wrecked really quickly. And we'll have a nice little point around the base where we can watch stuff. But yes, oh boy, let me pull back here and get another nice long shot of the base to show what all is being done. See all this. That nice beautiful shot there. Let's pull out the old phone. And let's give this thing a nice little look. They're going to give me a camera shot here on the phone here. There we go. So now that'll be a money shot for the base. And I want to thank everybody today for being here. You had the ability to go anywhere you want. And instead, y'all decided to come to my little neck of the woods on Twitch. And you decided to watch my show. And it's very nice to have people come in and watch. So thank you. Thank you very much for coming in. Thank you all for watching. This is Badger Wild saying, keep your powder dry, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Signing out.